ladies and Ogba, let me, on behalf of my friends, those who are here and those who are not here, thank you for your visit last year, December to be precise. You led members of some of your traditional council members to pay us a Christmas visit. We want to sincerely thank you. And to put on record, since I left office, you are the only traditional ruler that has come to appreciate and thank us. Just like your son, who is also our own son, has said, he told me that he was going to have a Thanksgiving for God ushering us to this 2024. Because God has been very kind to him and his family. And he thought it wise that it would be very important for him to invite some of his friends and thank God that himself and his family saw the year 2024. And I said, just like he said, give respect to whom respect is due. If there's one traditional ruler that must be respected, is the Ogba of Ogba. He is not a political traditional ruler. He is a traditional ruler by excellence. In all of his state. It's not a traditional ruler you find everywhere. It's not a traditional ruler you find in all birthday parties. It's not a traditional ruler you see in all kinds of occasions. It's a traditional ruler you see once in a while. No wonder the kind of tradition that was depicted this afternoon. So many people here they were wondering what kind of tradition. Well, you can ask those of us who are made chiefs here. It's not easy. For you are made chief in this palace. You know what it takes. You must be acquainted with tradition. And that is what it takes. So we felt we must come first of all and pay you this New Year visit first, before we move to our first house to join his family in relationship. So, Mr. Sade, thank you. And thank all your chiefs for your prayers while we're in office, and for their continuous prayer while we're in Abuja. I assure you that we'll do everything we can to make sure what we did here will replicate in Abuja to the glory of God. And like I also said, when you came to see me, you did say that the need for peace in River State. Your Eminence, let me say that Mr. President, in his wisdom, has intervened for peace to reign in the state. And as your advice, and as a respected traditional ruler, Ogba, I want to say categorically, without any conditions attached, we accepted whatever decision Mr. President has taken. And we have for our own part fulfilled every condition given by Mr. President. Because I told you, we will not let you down. Just to let you know that the request of making sure that there is peace in the state, and which led to Mr. President to intervene, we have accepted. And I want you to use your prayer to continue to pray for Mr. President, for God to continue to give him the wisdom to pilot the affairs of this country. After all, He's not from River State. So many people have presided over the affairs of this country. Crisis have engulfed other states. It helped me to see somebody come out and say, look, irrespective of the political party, he said, I need peace in the state. If there's peace in the state, it will help peace in Nigeria. So I will urge you and your council to continue to pray for Mr. President, for God to continue to give you the wisdom to pilot the affairs of this country. Once again, on behalf of my friends, I want to say sincerely, thank you for the support. God bless you.